What's up you guys, Fezo here. Welcome to episode 7 of making YouTube banners with me. In this episode we're gonna learning how to make really cool 2D abstract YouTube banner. It's so simple, so let me show the example of the banner. Here it is. It looks really cool. As you can see, you can create your own YouTube banner with this abstract background. So you don't need any texture or something like that. You only need my 12K graphic pack. You can download it from my description. It's for free, and you only need abstract stocks. Just open my 12K graphic pack and go to the abstract stocks group and open it. You will get a bunch of abstract effect just like that. If you want to know how to create how to make this kind of abstract stocks, just go to my channel and watch Chaotica tutorial. It's the program right there. You can create a really nice fractal design abstract effect using this program. Just watch my tutorial if you want to know how to create this kind of effect. So just download my 12K graphic pack and then open your template and get started. I'm going to open my YouTube template like that. So first one, go over my 12K graphic pack and open the abstract stocks, and I'm going to use this stock in this tutorial. Just right click on it and click duplicate layer and duplicate to your template. Just select your template and click OK, and here we go. Just put it right there, and I'm going to zoom a little bit and press Ctrl J and duplicate it and move it right there, and select your eraser tool and select a little bit bigger one like 200 pixel and erase your abstract stock just like this and move it right there. Keep erasing and put it right there, and duplicate the first one again and put it top of these layers. Select your move tool and move it right there and keep erasing again. Just like that, and put it here. Duplicate the first one again. Do these steps. Keep doing this. Erase. This time I'm going to make just press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right click and click flip vertical and press enter and move it right there and erase it. Okay, it looks really cool. Then do the same thing again. Press Ctrl T, flip vertical and put it here. And do the last time. Ctrl J, duplicate it and put it top of these layers and erase the abstract. And put it right there. Okay, once you're done, just select all of these layers and press Ctrl E on your keyboard, or just right click on it and select merge layers. Then press Ctrl J on your keyboard and duplicate it. Go to filter, select filter gallery and go over the stylize and select glowing edges and make sure the settings just like that. Just copy the settings, then click OK and go over the blending option and select overlay. Change the opacity down about 20. Then merge these layers again and press Ctrl J for duplicated. Go to filter, noise, and select this plugin right there. I'm using this plugin because I don't have the oil paint filter on my Photoshop, because I'm using the Photoshop CC version. If you're using this version, just download this plugin. uh, I put the download link in the description below. The installation is really simple. Just download it and go to your Photoshop folder, plugins folder, and copy and paste this plugin into your plugins folder, and restart your Photoshop and go over the filter, noise, and the plugin right there. Just select. It's really similar to the oil paint filter on Photoshop CS6. Just copy these settings right there and make sure the numbers is same and click OK. Then and go over the opacity and change it 85%, just like that, and select the layers and press Ctrl E. Then name it abstract background, just like that. Now I'm going to make the color correction. For this, I'm going to create a new group and name it CC. Then go over this icon right there, go to gradient map and select the gradient, just black going to white, and go over the blending option, make it overlay, change the opacity down 25%, and go over this icon again and select gradient map again. This time I'm going to choose color. I'm going to select a red color. The color doesn't matter because we will change with hue saturation. Just select the red color, click OK, and go over the blending option. This time select hue. Then I'm going to make a curve. Just make 2 points on this line. Make the first one a little bit down and the second one a little bit up, just like that. And select blue. Don't make any points on this line, just move this first point here and the second point up here, and as you can see you will get the really nice color here. Just close this, and this time I'm going to add vibrance. Change the vibrance 10, saturation 10, and going to this icon again, select brightness and contrast, change the brightness 10. Then close this. Now I'm going to add photo filter. Go over the color and select red color, click OK, and don't touch the density, leave it 25%. Then I'm going to create a hue saturation top of this gradient map 2. Just go over the gradient map 2 and click this icon and select hue saturation. And here you can select any color you want. I'm going to select nice blue color. I'm going to select minus 165. Works great. Just select this one. So we are done with color correction. Just close this group. Then I'm going to add the rectangles. Just make a new layer and select your rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Zoom in a little bit and right click on the rectangle and select rasterize layer and press Ctrl T and resize it just like that. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, a little bit more. Okay, here we go. and go over the opacity and change it 8%. Press Ctrl J, duplicate it and put it right there. Okay, looks really cool. Then I'm going to add some text. Just select your text tool and write your text. For example, I'm going to write banner. I'm using the Nexa bold regular font, and just you can download it from my description. It's for free, and make it a little bit big like this one. Oops, like this one. Make it a little bit small. Okay, just double click on the banner and open the layer style. Just select drop shadow, don't touch anything. Go over the gradient overlay and select the first color gray. Second color, not full white. Just select this color right there. And you can copy the setting, copy the code right there. Click OK. I'm going to make a little bit more gray like this. Click OK. Then go over the setting and change the opacity 25%, change the distance 2 pixel and size 2 pixel. Then go over the inner glow, change the blending mode normal, change the color uh, this one, this color, yellowish, and you can copy this code right there. Click OK and change the opacity 25 and size 3 pixel. Then go over the bevel and emboss, change depth 25%, size 3 pixel, and don't touch anything. Just change the size to pixel and click OK. And here we get a nice text. So just duplicate it, press Ctrl J and move it right there and write your second text. I'm going to write design, and this time I'm going to select Nexa Light regular font and put the design font bottom of the banner text and move it here. Okay, looks really cool. Then open the design layer style, go over the gradient overlay and change the first color. I'm going to select red color because it's automatically change it to the blue because we selected the blue color on the hue saturation. Just select your color, and second one, make it light red color like that. Click OK. Click OK. Then I'm going to add just first one. Select the all of this text. Press Ctrl J, Ctrl G, duplicate it. Not to duplicate it, crop it, and name it banner design like this, and open it and make a new layer and select your first. I'm going to select this group, select your move tool and press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Press Ctrl A and select all of the banners and select your move tool and your banner design group and click this icon right there. It's moved the text to the center just like that. Then press Ctrl D on your keyboard, deselect it and zoom in a little bit. Then I'm going to add a new layer. Select your pen tool and make a shape just like that, like a rectangle, and right click on it and go to fill path and go over the color and make sure it's white. Click OK, right click again and select delete path. Then hold Ctrl on your keyboard and click the layer 1 thumbnail. then hold Ctrl Alt on your keyboard and click this T icon on the for the banner text, and click the T for the design text, and click delete key on your um, keyboard few times and press Ctrl D for deselect it, and go over the blending option, select overlay, change the opacity down about 25%, then open the layer style and go over the drop shadow, change the distance 0 pixel, speed 25% and size 25%. It's give you nice reflection like this one. I'm going to make a banner color, text color a little bit light, just like that. Okay, looks really cool. Click OK. So I'm going to add the second text. I'm going to duplicate this banner text and drag it outside of this group and close this group. And you can write your second text. For example, I'm going to write your second text. Select your move tool, press Ctrl T and make it smaller, just like that, and press Ctrl A and select your text and press this button right there. It's move the text to the center, then press Ctrl T, move it right there. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, now I'm going to add the another text. Just select your text tool and you can write whatever you want, but I'm going to write created by Fezo Designs. I'm going to select next the light, regular, press Ctrl T, make it so small. Make it smaller. And change the opacity down 50%. Then I'm going to add uh, this stay connected text and this bar right there. For this, I'm going to make a new layer. First, I'm gonna make this created your second text layer, text a little bit smaller, just like that. Then I'm going to add a new layer. Select your pen tool and make a shape just like that, and right click, go to fill path, color, make it white, click OK, right click again, delete path. Then duplicate this layer again, press Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal, press enter and move it right there. Just put it bottom of this second text. Here we go. I'm going to merge it, select the layers and press Ctrl E and move it to the center. Then I'm going to change the opacity down 25% and open the layer styles, go to drop shadow, don't touch anything, and go over the satin and change the opacity about 100%, change the distance to size 2 pixel, and you can copy this created by Fezo Designs layer. Make sure it's white, just go over the color overlay and make it white and duplicate it. Oops, press Ctrl J, duplicate it and move it here, and you can write whatever you want. I'm going to write stay connected, just like that, and make it smaller like that. I'm going to make this bar a little bit smaller. Okay, looks really cool. Looks like this one. Then I'm going to make the line, as you can see right there. For this, I'm going to make a new layer bottom of this bar layer. Select your select your brush tool. Make sure you selected the second brush and change the size 2 pixel. And select your pen tool and make a line just like that. Press right click, go over the stroke path, select your brush tool, click OK, right click again, delete path, and select your eraser tool. Make a smaller eraser like 100 pixel or 90 pixel, just like that, and erase it. Erase the beginning of the line and end of the line, just like that. You can make a bigger eraser and change the opacity down about 90, and double click on it, go over the color overlay and make red color. Click OK. It looks really cool, as you can see. Then I'm going to add the social media icons. You can find on my 12K graphic pack. Just go over my 12K graphic pack and select social media. I'm going to add first Instagram and Skype, and press Ctrl T, make it so small like this. Put it here, Skype icon here, and double click and open the layer styles. Just check the drop shadow, make it 3 pixel, and color overlay, make it white. Click OK, and right click on the Skype, select copy layer style and paste on the Instagram like this. Then I'm going to make a new layer and select your rounded rectangle, not rounded, ellipse tool, and make a circle like that and put it right there. Open the ellipse layer style, go over the color overlay and make it red color. Click OK and change the opacity down 25 pixel, 25%. Press Ctrl J, duplicate it and move it on your Skype icon like this. This looks really cool. Then I'm going to move it like this. Let me see. Then select the social media icons and your ellipse tool and your line. Press Ctrl G, group it, name it social media. Press Ctrl J, duplicate it and move it right there. And press Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal. Okay, here we go. And open the social media icons, make it social media 2, and delete this Skype and Instagram. I'm going to add Twitter and Facebook. You can add whatever you want. Zoom in a little bit, press Ctrl T, make it smaller, and put the Twitter here. Make it a little bit big, and put the Facebook icon here. Here we go. Then paste the same layer style here. Okay, here we go. Then close the social media icons. Then I'm going to move this text a little bit up. Just select all of these layers, expect these rectangle ones. Select your move tool and move it a little bit up here like this. Now I'm going to add some lighting effect. Just make a new layer, bottom of these rectangles, name it light, and select your brush tool, make it 800 pixel. Make sure you selected the first brush and press Ctrl H on your keyboard and select the color, same color, but a little bit white, a little bit light, and make the light center of this banner just like that. Okay, looks cool. Press Ctrl H again. Then go over the go over the blending option, select screen, change the opacity down 30%. Looks really cool as you can see. Then I'm going to make a new layer top of this abstract BG, name it background light, and this time select the 400 pixel brush and the same color and put the uh, lighting effect here around the banners just like that. Then go over the blending option, select screen, change the opacity down about, let me see, 8 pixel, 8%, sorry about that. 8% looks great. Now, last thing we're going to do is this effect. For this lighting effect, I'm going to create a rectangle. Just make a rectangle like that. Then smaller one. And make a different rectangles like this. Let me see. Make this one a little bit smaller. Okay, here we go. Then just select all of these rectangles, press Ctrl E, merge it, open the layer styles, go over the color overlay, and make sure it's white. Then press Ctrl T, make it like this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Put it here. Just go over the blending option, select overlay, change the opacity down. Let me see, about 5. Then I'm going to make it 4. Press Ctrl J, duplicate it, put it right there. Change the opacity 3. Duplicate it, put it, let me see, right there. change the opacity 3, duplicate it again, and put it whatever you want, where you want. I'm going to put it here, change the opacity about 3. As you can see, it looks really cool. Look like this one, the same thing. So you can create your um, abstract banner just like that. If you want to change the color, just go over your color correction, which is we made at the beginning of the video. Go over the hue saturation, double click on this icon, and you can change the color. I'm going to make nice red color, like -20. Looks great. Looks awesome. So that's all, guys. You can create a really nice abstract YouTube banner just like that. It's really simple. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribed and like the video. So if you have a problem about this video, about this tutorial, just write me on Facebook or Skype, or write the comment below. I will help you. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.